Have you ever wondered why some people achieve financial freedom while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? 88% of self-made millionaires credit small, consistent habits for their financial success. They didn't inherit wealth. They built it through habits, decisions, and mindsets most people overlook. Imagine what you could achieve if you applied the same strategies in your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll learn 10 unconventional lessons from the rich that you can start using today to transform your future. Along the way, we'll also expose common mistakes people make that keep them stuck and how to overcome them. Stay concentrated, subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's get started. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Let's start with the golden rule of wealth creation. Pay yourself first. Imagine you're working tirelessly every day, yet at the end of the month, you have nothing left for yourself because you paid everyone else, the landlord, the grocery store, your subscriptions. Sound familiar? Instead, set aside at least 20% of your income for savings and investments before spending a dime. This habit is championed in George S. Clayson's The Richest Man in Babylon. He says, "A part of all you earn is yours to keep. Automate your savings. Whether it's $100 or $1,000, make it non-negotiable." Over time, this grows into your financial safety net and investment base. When you consistently save, you develop financial discipline and ensure you're building wealth instead of living paycheck to paycheck. Number 2. Morning routine. Imagine this. You wake up and immediately reach for your phone, scrolling through endless notifications. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. This single habit is costing you your focus, productivity, and ultimately, your path to financial freedom. James Clear in Atomic Habits emphasizes, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." Starting your day aimlessly creates a domino effect of wasted time and distractions. People never realize this mistake until years pass, leaving them stuck in a cycle of mediocrity, wondering why success feels out of reach. Instead, craft a power-packed morning routine. Begin with 10 minutes of journaling to outline your top priorities, followed by reading something enriching, like personal finance books, to fuel your growth. Oprah Winfrey, for instance, dedicates time to meditation and planning, ensuring her day aligns with her goals. Ask yourself, are you wasting the first hour of your day or investing it? Start small and watch your habits compound into wealth. Number 3. The 1% rule. The rich focus on getting 1% better every day, whether it's in their finances, health, or skills. British Cycling Company became the best in the world by improving tiny aspects of their process, like the weight of helmets or the rider's diet. Many people aim for massive changes overnight, leading to burnout and disappointment. Identify one small habit to improve daily. For example, save $5 a day or replace 10 minutes of social media with reading. Success is built through consistent, tiny actions compounded over time. Number 4. Create a daily spending journal. People swipe their cards, buy things impulsively, and justify it as small expenses. But these small leaks sink big ships. Multiply that over months and you're losing thousands annually. Without tracking your spending, you'll always wonder, why don't I have enough to save or invest? This careless habit keeps people broke, drowning in regret and struggling for financial security. Here's how you fix it. Start a daily spending journal. At the end of each day, jot down every expense, even the smallest one. You'll spot patterns like unnecessary subscriptions or emotional purchases and make smarter financial choices. For example, if you see you're spending $200 monthly on takeout, you can redirect that towards an investment or emergency fund. Over time, this habit compounds into financial clarity and freedom. Number 5. Simplify your finances. Financial freedom isn't about complexity, it's about clarity. If your finances feel overwhelming, it's time to simplify. Consolidate accounts, unsubscribe from unused services, and stick to a straightforward budgeting system like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or investments. Ask yourself, is my financial system helping or hindering my goals? Simplification saves time, reduces stress, and makes it easier to focus on growth. Number 6. The power of saying no. Have you ever noticed how rich people are incredibly selective with their time? Warren Buffett famously avoids distractions. Despite having countless investment offers, he focuses on a handful of companies. This discipline helped him amass a net worth of over $100 billion. If you say yes to everything out of fear of missing out, this leads to overcommitment, stress, and lack of focus. Before agreeing to something, ask yourself, does this align with my long-term goals? If not, say no politely. Time is your most valuable asset. Protect it fiercely. Number 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As income increases, most people upgrade their lifestyle, buying bigger homes or fancier cars. This keeps them stuck in the rat race. Lifestyle inflation keeps you stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, no matter how much you earn. Practice intentional spending. When you earn more, instead of upgrading your lifestyle, channel that extra money into investments, savings, or debt repayment. Challenge yourself. Can you maintain your current lifestyle even after earning more? Don't let temporary luxuries rob you of lasting wealth. Choose discipline over display. Number 8. Master emotional control. Money and emotions often don't mix well. Rich people excel at separating the two. They don't let fear or greed dictate their financial decisions. Think about it. How many times have you made impulsive purchases when you were stressed, sad, or even overly excited? To resolve this, cultivate emotional control by pausing before making any financial decision. Ask yourself, is this purchase solving a real problem or just an emotional craving? For instance, instead of spending impulsively when stressed, redirect that energy into exercise or journaling. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how well you manage your emotions. Number 9. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Here's a harsh reality. If you spend time with people who are reckless with money, you're likely to adopt the same habits. Instead, actively seek out financially savvy individuals. For example, think about someone like Mark. He cut ties with his toxic spending circle and joined an investment club. In a year, he went from clueless to having a diversified portfolio. Choose a circle that inspires growth, challenges bad habits, and supports your journey to financial freedom. Are the people around you building you up or holding you back? Number 10. Practice gratitude and generosity. Rich people often express gratitude and give back. Studies show that gratitude improves happiness and generosity strengthens relationships. Focusing solely on accumulating wealth can lead to emptiness and dissatisfaction. Start a gratitude journal and commit to giving, even small amounts, to causes you care about. Gratitude and generosity create abundance beyond money. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. These small daily actions compound into life-changing results. If you're ready to transform your financial future, start with just one habit today. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.